Guys, my name is Shivam Shivhare and welcome to our channel Instructor's Point. Today I will discuss about online business like as dropshipping business. So here I will tell you what is dropshipping business, how dropshipping business work, what are the benefit if you start a dropshipping business. It is totally work from home. You should have to source a product online and sell that product online, and the wholesaler will deliver your product to the customer directly. You work as a mediator here. So firstly I will tell you what is dropshipping business and what is the dropshipping business model. So dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the product, it is sales in stock. So dropshipping is a business model which you can use to run your store without ever holding any inventory. So here you don't have to hold any inventory or fulfillment by yourself. The the order will be fulfilled by the wholesaler. So here, once you have made a sale, your supplier will ship your products from their warehouse straight to your customer doorstep. You will never need to worry about storing, packaging, or shipping your products. So this is the newest way to sell your product online, and dropshipping gives you the freedom to sell your product directly to your customer. So here I will tell you how dropshipping business work. So there is no more upfront inventory cost or shipping logistic with dropshipping. Products are sent directly from wholesalers to your customer. Like as the first step is that your customer place an order from your online store. So firstly you should have to need a online website here. If you have an online website and you target the audience to buy a product from your website, like as you are working in the niche, so firstly you should have to select a niche which you want to sell a product to your customer. Like as if I am interested to sell jewelry, so I will use the I will sell the customized jewelry here. If I am interested in print on demand, so you should have to select the print on demand. So where print on demand, you will select, so various categories are available there. You can select any one of your interest. So for that, you should have to visit the Pinterest and find the trending niche, and you should also go for trends.google.com and find which trend is going over at that time. So you should have to select one niche for you and build a online store. I will tell you where you should have to start your building a online store and what is the cost for starting a online business, which requirements need to start a online business. So here is the first step is that your customer place an order from your online store, and the second step, your store automatically send the order to your dropshipping supplier. So there are various website available, or there are various plugins are available in the market. So you should have to use that plugins or that website applications which help you to ship your product automatically or track and add the tracking automatically and send that message to the customer also. And here the step 3 is your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer order. Once the order is uh, placed in your website and that order is automatically sent to your supplier here the supplier take your customer product and the supplier ships the order directly to your customer. So here this is the uh, very easiest way to sell any product. So here, so from where you should have to start your online business. So Shopify is one of the best and one of the easiest platform to sell product anywhere in the world. You can also use Ali Dropship. You can also go for the big commerce. You can also go for the Overlow. So if there are various website available in the market, but I prefer you to go for the Shopify. Just because of that, I also use Shopify for selling a product. I run a drop shipping business around 2 years, and I got various difficulties when I start that business. But at that time, I am how to find the vendors, how to sell a product, how to use the Facebook marketing, how to use Gmail, Google AdWords, how to go for the Pinterest, how to target your audience in Instagram as well, how to find a influencer marketer for you to sell your product. So here, two of the most common approaches for drop shipping on Shopify are to seek out a supplier located in North America or anywhere else in the world using supplier database, or to seek out a Shopify app that connects you and store to thousands of suppliers. So there are various applications available in Shopify. You can just install that application in your Shopify store and explore. Various things are available there where you can find a supplier for your need, like as if you are working on customized jewelry needs, or you are in print on demand. So for print on demand, I prefer you to go for the Printful, or you can go for the Printify website. They will directly, you should have to design a product and upload that image to the Printify or Printful website. And if the design and your order is all about, if you have a single order, they will place that order to your customer directly. So there is lot of websites are available in the market. I will prefer you to go for, if you are in print on demand, if you are interested in to start a print on demand business, you should have to go for a Printful or Printify. And you can also choose their various vendors available in US also, and in China also. If you want uh, that vendors information, you can directly comment on my comment box, in our channel comment box, and I will suggest you, and I will give you the number, or I will tell you where you should have to approach that vendors to deliver a product to you, your customers. So there are various websites like as Overlo, AliExpress. So you can easily import a product from various websites. Like as if you want to say, sell a product from the AliExpress, you will get various discounts. Because of that, the price of AliExpress is all about $2 to $5, and you can sell that product to $20 or $25 with a higher margin. So there is a need to find a product which is going in trend right now. So it is on the daily basis, you should have to go for the trends.google.com. And you can also use various websites to find, like as I will give you an example. There a lot of websites are available in market, like as Shopify. In Shopify, like as Common Panda is also working a great in this is Common Panda is from India. And this is one of the best website which is have only 5 to 10 products, but they earn a lot of money from there. So here I will tell you benefits of drop shipping. So there are various benefits of drop shipping. Drop shipping is a great business model for aspiring entrepreneurs to start with because it is accessible. With drop shipping, you can quickly test different business ideas with limited downside. Uh, Here are few other reasons why drop shipping is such a popular model. So for the first, less capital is required. So less capital is required. Probably the biggest advantage to drop shipping is that possible to launch an e-commerce store without having to invest thousands of dollars or thousands of rupees in inventory upfront. Because of that, if you start a business offline, or if you start a physical store, so you should have to firstly pay the upfront investment, then you should have to start a business. But here you don't have to pay anything to anyone. Traditionally, retailers have had to tie up with huge amount of capital purchasing inventory. So with the dropshipping model, you don't have to purchase a product unless you have already made the sale and have been paid by the customer. Without significant upfront inventory investment, it is possible to start sourcing product and launch a successful dropshipping business with a very little amount of money. Easy to get started. So easy to get started. Running an e-commerce business is much easier when you don't have to deal with physical products. Like here you can see that if somebody comes in your website, they can place an order and pay the amount at the immediate time. And you got the order, and there is some plugins available in Shopify. You should have to install that first, and that order, if the customer place the order will automatically transfer to your supplier, and supplier pack that package and deliver to your customer directly. So this is one of the best way to earn money. Because of that, you should have to increase your margin as much you want. Like as I am selling a product of $10 to $30, and I got on around $20 margin. So I just because $20 for I have to pay the GST in India, and I should have to pay the transaction charge from USD to INR. So there are various way to, you should have to take a margin. So it is very easy margin. So, and third one, so I discuss about easy to get started. So there you have to manage or paying for warehouse, packaging and shipping your orders. With drop shipping, you don't have to worry about packaging and shipping your orders, tracking inventory for accounting reason, handling returns and inbound shipments. So it is very easy to you to get started. Low overhead, it means that you don't have to deal with purchasing inventory or managing warehouse. uh, your overhead expenses are quite low. In fact, many successful dropshipping stores are run as home-based business, requiring a little more than a laptop and a few recurring expenses to operate. So these costs will likely increase, but uh, will still be low compared to those of traditional businesses. So what about flexible location? So flexible location is very easy. Because of that, you should have to start a drop shipping store from anywhere in the world, and because of that, it is very easy to at that time. So you should have to start a work from home also. And here a drop shipping business can be run from just about anywhere with an internet connection. As long as you can communicate with suppliers and customers easily, you can run and manage your business. So it is very easy. So wide selection of product to sell. Since you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer an array of trending products to your potential customers. So for the trending product, you should have to find a trends. So you will have to visit trends.google.com. There are various websites available in the market. I will give the link to the description also. If supplier stocks an item, you can list it for sale or your online store at no additional cost. Easier to test. Dropshipping is a useful fulfillment method for both launching a new store and for business owners for additional product categories, accessories, or new products line. The main benefit of dropshipping is again the ability to list and sell product before committing to buying a large amount of inventory. So it is easy for you to start a business at just a nominal cost. Because I have to, if you are interested to go for a business and to start your online business, I will prefer you to go for the drop shipping. Just because of that, if you have an target the right audience in your website and redirect it to your website, you will definitely got very many amount of sales. And it is very important to go and target the right audience. So it is easier to scale as well. With a traditional retail business, if you receive three items the number of order, you will usually need to do three items as much work. So here the suppliers allowing you to expand with fewer growing pain and less incremental work. Sales growth will always bring additional work. So well related to traditional e-commerce business as well. So all the benefits be mentioned make dropshipping a very attractive model for anyone getting started with an online store, for or those looking to expand their business product offering. So it is very easy, and I hope you will start if you are interested to start an online business. So here I will talk about Here I will talk about how much do you need to start a dropshipping business and how much investment do you need to start a business online. So though it is hard to predict the exact cost for any business, there are few items where every dropshipping business will need to spend money on in order to get started. I will tell you that you will invest $29 per month. Before that, you will go and sign up and start your dropshipping store from Shopify website. Shopify provides you the 14 days trial, where you will get a 14 days trial and understand what Shopify provides you. You can easily create drag and with the help of drag and drop option, you will create your template, you will design your website. You can add various plugins are available in Shopify, which is freely available for you. You can integrate those applications in your website, which will help you to uh, uh, give an idea how to use these application. You can import the products to the supplier. So there are various type kind of plugins are available, and you can also add the Google AdWords. So Google AdWords, you will provide the API and add those API to your Shopify store. So if you upload a new product in your website, and you will sync that product to your Google AdWord. If you want to run a Google ads, you can easily run the ad to the particular product as well. So for the online store, you have to invest around $29 per month, which is I think nominal to start any good business. Because of that, dropshipping business if you work on a dedicated way, so I will definitely assure you that you will earn lot of money from there. If you invest $29 in the online store, which is $29 per month you have to pay. And I think if you sell a two product in a single day, your cost it comes out to you. So it is not a big task for you. You will need to find an e-commerce platform, a website builder, in order to create and host your online store. So I will recommend you to start your website with the Shopify store. Because of that, you will be able to sync a product from the Overflow marketplace to source a product which is freely available for the newcomers. And for the domain, it is one time cost for yearly basis. So you will choose a domain from $5 to $20. And I think there are also various domain available and various offers are available in the market. Like as if you go if you will go for the namecheap.com, godaddy.com. So there are various website available in the market, so you can explore that website and grab that offer which they provide to purchase a domain for you. So it is hard to build trust with customer without your own domain name. There are a number of top level domains are available, like as .co, .com, .in. So these are the top domains available in the market, and I recommend looking for .com that fits for your brand. If one is available, use the domain for your website. And what I will tell about test order. So although dropshipping lets you have minimal involvement with handling your overall product catalog, you should set aside money as well as a little bit of time to test out the product you plan to sell. Like as if you want to sell a t-shirt, which uh, which you which is present a coding language. Like as if you want to sell a case cover like for OnePlus 8, so you will have to test some designs for testing your product. Because of that, if you test around 5 to 10 product, definitely you will get the winning product for you. And that single product will generate a huge amount for you, and which was very helpful for you. So I believe to go for the testing, because if you don't take a risk listing a product with too many shortcoming or defects, which will result unhappy customers, and a lot of time spent dealing with returns. So I think you will go for the testing your products which you plan to sell. Like for the online advertisement or online advertising, I will recommend you to go for, when you go for scale your business, I recommend you to you have a budget at least $200 to get started, because every e-commerce business should looks for ways to reduce their average cost to acquire a customer through organic channels like content marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Google ads, a search engine optimization, and a word of mouth. But to get started, advertising is usually a essential and most important part for the product based business. The most common channel include search engine marketing, displaying ad, carousel ads, social media ads, mobile ads, video ads. So there are various kind of advertisement are available for you. You can explore more and more. Or if you want a video for dedicated online marketing or digital marketing, I will show you in the next video. If you want a video, just comment in the comment box and like and subscribe our channel. So because we will provide that type of videos to you. And now we will move to the next page. So uh, just a minute. So okay, so there are various free resources available in the market. So I will prefer you to go for the WordPress is also a free or open source CRM, so where you can build your website or host your website at the nominal cost. WordPress is totally free. You just have to pay for the domain and hosting only. And Overlow is one of the best product sourcing website which provides you various kind of products available in the market. You can just drag and drop, and also you can use the plugin and sync that product into your website. Vendors, if you want a free vendors which ship a product for you at like as if a product is about $9, they will ship that order for you at only $9 for the product and $3 for the shipping charges, $12, and you can sell that product in $30 as well. It is easy to sell that product. And I will prefer you to go for testing your product in the US market, just because of that there is an impulsive buyer who can see your ad, and if they are interested, if you are providing the attractive ad and attractive product, so they will purchase that product at the same time. So I will prefer you. Fourth is Alibaba. So you can go for the AliExpress website and you can explore that product and find find a right product for you, and just uh, sync that product into your website as well. Amazon.com provides the drop shipping for you. In the US market, you can go with the Amazon drop shipping as well. If you want to sell a book, or if you want to sell a digital product as well, you can go for the Amazon.com as well. POD is one of the best way to earn money online, because of that POD is the way which I like most. Because of that I earn a lot of from POD. POD is stands for print on demand. Print on demand is one of the trending topic in drop shipping, just because of that print on demand is all about t-shirts, hoodies, cups, um, hats, pen. There are a lot of things. If you design, if you are uh, a good designer, you can go and choose for the POD, print on demand. And for the print on demand, you will go for the Printful website and upload your design. They will print a t-shirt for you and ship that product to your customer directly. So this is also one of the best. Print on demand is I think you will go for the print on demand. Now move to the FAQ. FAQ: How do dropshippers make money? Dropshipping business act as product selecting the right mix of product to market to the customer. Marketing is cost in both time and money, helping potential customer find, evaluate, and buy the right product. You will also have to include the cost of providing customer support whenever there is a product shipping issue. Last but certainly not least is the original price that your suppliers sells the product for. Is dropshipping legitimate business? Dropshipping is a fulfillment model, one used by many global retailers and is perfectly legal. Like with any business, satisfying customer expectation and building a brand with the right audience is still the key to long-term success. This question usually comes up due to a misunderstanding of how dropshipping work. Most retail stores you shop in are likely not selling products they personally manufacture. Dropshipping takes this approach and turns it into a fulfillment portal fit for an online business. Okay. So is dropshipping worth it in 2020? Yes. As I mentioned earlier, dropshipping isn't a perfect, stress-free way to build a successful online business. Hard work is always required to start a business. The model has some definite advantages, but comes with number of built-in uh, disadvantages also. If you are not give your dedication to your business, then how the business is built. So we will examining these challenges and how to best address them in future. The good news is that with some easy to sell that product. Will prefer you to go for testing your product in the US market. Just because of that, there is an impulsive buyer who can see your ad and if they are interested, if you are providing the attractive ad and attractive product, so they will purchase that product at the same time. So I will prefer you. Fourth is Alibaba. So you can go for the AliExpress website and you can explore that sell a digital product at Amazon.com as well. POD is one of the best way to earn money online. Because of that, POD is the way which I like most. Because of that, I earn a lot of from POD. POD is stands for print on demand. Print on demand is one of the trending topic in dropshipping. Just because of that, print on demand is all about t-shirts, hoodies, cups, hats, pen. There are a lot of things. If you design, if you are a good designer, you can go and choose it to the customer. Marketing is cost